Alright, so for our apple pie filling, we're going to go ahead and start peeling. Yep. We're going to add lemon juice, this whole thing, and 2 cups of water into the bowl. And that prevents it from browning and makes the apples look nice. Right, Mage?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so let's get into it. You want to open this up?
Sure.
Go ahead and dump that in the bowl. Whole thing. Alright. I'll take this. And go ahead and you could dump that 2 cups of water in there. Yeah. Dump it right in. Pour the whole thing in. Alright. Alright, ready to start peeling?
Yep.
Alright, some nice organic
Apples?
Yep. We don't spray them with anything. They're all natural. Go ahead and grab one and we'll start off here.
Let's do that for this one.
Do that one?
Yep.
Alright. Yep, go ahead and you're going to place the center. Yep. You're going to push it on there. Just like that. Alright. Now you're going to hold this, or I'll hold this, and you can go ahead and start winding it. And just go slow once you start getting up there, okay? You can go a little faster. Go ahead. And contact. Yep. All the way. Keep going. All the way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. So now, yep, pull that whole thing off. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Go ahead, you can have that. You can eat that if you want. There we go.
Oh, it's so cool how it made it like that.
Yeah.
It's like an apple with no stem.
Alright. So you see how that comes out? And then we can just cut this in half.
How do we get this out?
So we're going to be doing a bunch here. So we're going to go ahead and start putting these in here.
So,
Look at that. How cool is that?
that's apple.
Yep. Everything's all chopped up, cored and peeled. We can now start making our apple pie filling. We got some hot water, boiling water going right now. This is our canning water. We went ahead and started it because it is going to take a little bit. But we want to take 6 cups of our apples and we want to blanch them for 1 minute. And we got our containers all washed out. And this will make roughly 4 quarts, sometimes 3 quarts. It all just depends on the fruit itself. So we want 6 cups. And that's 4 right there. And I'm actually gonna chop these up. I like the small pieces of apple in my apple pie. I will make some regular apple pies like this. We'll make another batch. But I want to do some chopping with these. But we're gonna go ahead and blanch these first. And then we could chop them up. So there's 4 cups. And there's 6. And so it's been 1 minute. We go ahead and take these. And it's good if you got a strainer or something. And we can get them out. So we got them all out. We're gonna do one more batch of regular. All right, so these are the ones that we're gonna chop up and make small. Now we're gonna get another 6 cups, and these are the ones that we're gonna keep whole. And we can go ahead and start chopping these up. We're gonna add 3 3/4 cups of water for our pot here. And we're going to turn that on. We're going to add 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. Then 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. And 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And we're going to stir that up. Now we're going to add 2 3/4 cups of sugar. And you could always add less sugar if you want. Now we're just going to go ahead and stir this in, dissolve the sugar. Now we're going to add some clear gel, and this is for canning or jarring what we're doing. You can't use Certo. This is actually made for pie fillings. And we're going to need 3/4 cup. As I make a mess. There's 1/2 cup. And 1/4. 3/4 cups. And I made a little mess with it. And we can go ahead and whisk this in. Now we're going to add 1/2 cup of concentrated lemon juice. Alright, so now we're going to cook it for 1 more minute. Now we're going to take our apple slices and we're going to fold these in. Start mixing this up in there. It smells so good. Oh, if you could smell this, it smells so good. So we got our jars there. We can go ahead and start filling them. And you want to leave a 1-inch headspace. Alright, so that recipe made 2 full ones. You want about 1 inch of headspace here. And we still have some extra in here. So we have some graham cracker crust pie. We'll go ahead and make a couple little apple pies for the kids to try. Let's go ahead and fill them up.
Yes.
Give that a try. It's nice and hot too. Let me know what you think.
It's the apple, right?
Yep, from our apples.
Oh, yeah.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm going to make a bunch more.
Smells so good.
Yeah, I know. I love the smell of it. So we got a couple jars we'll be able to use, but we got all those we could fill and a ton more apples.
Good. So good.
Need to wipe off the rims so the lids will stick to it and seat properly. There we go. See the chunks and everything. That's what I like. That's the kind of apple pie filling I like. Alright, we're starting to boil. Once this comes up, we'll go ahead and throw them in there for 30 minutes. Alright, so we're all set here. Apple pie filling, really simple and easy, and tastes great. And you can make it however you want. Alright, so make sure to check out all of our videos and everything else. We're doing apple chips right now too as well. Apple everything, it's that time of year. And pears next. Bags of pears. And you can see how the mini pies came out and the kids love them. So it's good stuff. And right here from the farm. And once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.